Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno legal matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
These appeals challenge the judgment dated 3rd July 2008 passed by the learned single judge of the High Court of Judicature at Bombay in second appeal number 264 of 1996, thereby allowing the appeal filed by the respondents challenging the judgment dated 13th June 1996 passed by the second additional district judge, hereinafter referred to as the appellate court, in regular civil appeal number 61 of 1990, wide which the appellate court confirmed the judgment dated 28th March 1990 passed by the civil judge senior division, hereinafter referred to as the trial court, in special civil suit number 21 of 1985 filed by the appellant, wide which the trial court had decreed the suit for specific performance filed by the present appellant. Stop. The parties hereto are referred to in accordance with their status as before the trial court. Stop. The plaintiff is a doctor who was working in a government hospital. Stop. The plaintiff was also in private practice. Stop. The plaintiff, for starting his private practice, took on rent a part of the house of the defendant. Stop. It is the case of the plaintiff that subsequently the defendant was in financial need for his agricultural cultivation and household expenses, and therefore he suggested to the plaintiff that he should purchase the said part of the house which the plaintiff was occupying, together with an added portion. Stop. The plaintiff accepted the said suggestion, and an agreement to sell was entered into on 24th July 1984. Stop. As per the terms of the said agreement to sell, the defendant agreed to sell and the plaintiff agreed to purchase the suit property for rupees 50,000. Stop. The plaintiff paid an amount of rupees 24,000 on the date of the agreement, and the defendant executed an earnest note in favor of the plaintiff. Stop. As per the terms of the agreement to sell, the sale deed was to be executed before 31st March 1985. Stop. It is the case of the plaintiff that on 31st July 1984 the defendant again requested for money, and on such request the plaintiff paid him an amount of rupees 6,000. Stop. It is also the case of the plaintiff that pursuant to the aforesaid payment he was put in possession of the suit property on 31st July 1984. Stop. It is further the case of the plaintiff that he was always ready and willing to perform his part of the agreement, and therefore he informed the defendant by registered letter that he was willing to complete his part of the transaction before 31st March 1985. Stop. However, the defendant replied to the said notice by alleging that the transaction was of money lending and denied the execution of the sale deed. Stop. In this background, the plaintiff filed a suit for specific performance before the trial court. Stop. The trial court, void judgment and decree dated 28th March 1990, decreed the suit and directed the defendant to execute the sale deed by accepting the balance sale consideration as per the terms of the agreement to sell stop.